guys, what's up? I'm Reaper here. Today we're back in another video. And in this video we are joined by and yeah guys, everyone has been commenting, do a Roblox video, but I'm thinking there's not many like games on Roblox. And then I'm thinking, and then I found like literally my favorite game ever, speedrun. I remember making a video about this a couple years ago. And hopefully we don't.
A few months ago. Remember when we raced it?
Yeah. We're only making this video 15 minutes long. We're gonna try to get as far as we can, even though I just died on the first level. But we also have to wait for each other. Paul, he's on the second level already.
Hey, I want to try to get this done in 15 minutes.
Sure. Okay, I'm right behind you. Sort of. Whoa, no, oh my god. I am a scrub. I died again on the first level, now I was at the end. I'm not used to this anymore. But it's like the first level is so easy. Dude, can you please wait?
Sure.
Sure. But you gotta actually like wait. Jeez, how long does it take for the first level? Come on. My sensitivity is so high, that's what's making me like...
I like that.
Well, I forgot to jump. Yay!
Oh, my video just uploaded.
Sweet. We should get notified in a couple seconds. 4 minutes, 4 hours, 4 days.
What?
Yay!
Are you on my level now?
Did you finish the level yet?
No.
Is it the third level? I can see what this thing is like.
Bro, this level is actually easy though.
Yeah, people. Why is it harder than the last level? The last level was like a whole different story, sort of. But this part like really jukes me up so much because like of this part. Woo! No, Jesus!
Bro, the bottom of my screen is glitching out.
Oh, mine is glitching out. Look,
Yeah,
it always happens on.
What the heck?
It always happens on speedrun. It's like you need to like.
Oh wait,
update
redeem
this thing.
code. I redeemed the moon dimension.
How do you spell it? M-O-O-N.
Yeah. Okay, make a part 2 to the video you're recording right now.
What?
Yeah.
We're trying the moon dimension. We're making another we're gonna try to complete this whole thing, guys. No, frick!
I'm going on to the next level.
No, please wait for me. I'm just literally like tripping out.
Also, guys, friend me on Roblox.
I have my friend limit already. I need to get rid of some friends.
You're at your friend limit?
It's 200 is the friend limit.
Yeah, guys,
But I don't have even 100 yet.
On Roblox here.
I don't have 100 yet, but it
also,
says...
guys, friend me on Fortnite at MasterChief1990. My mic doesn't work for my PC yet, but it does work for my...
No!
I'm going.
Wait, this is a problem up here. What is this? Use disk. Your disk is almost full safe space by... I need to, like, manage.
Go forward. I'm gonna go in. Dude, I'm just seeing how hard this level is, because I need practice, because I haven't played in a while.
No one has played it in a while because they can't get through this down level. Yes!
No, but like,
This level sometimes trips me out.
Wait, how did I take
Wow.
lies on the water level? Okay.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Last time we played this, it was like winter. Almost. Right now, it's October.
No volume. No volume.
Alright, I'm on. Oh, this level.
This one! This one I can hack on. Okay,
Dang it,
guys.
but you gotta time it correctly. You're close.
I got so close. So what you gotta do is just...
You gotta jump when you hit the water, like straight when you hit the water. My storage is almost full. I need to like...
No, what you do is you hold... You just spamming space. It's like spam space like that.
Okay. Well, good luck on that.
How many times have you played? I mean, how many minutes?
I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't work. They patched it. Look how much time you recorded for.
I have a timer. I did not set. Wow. Yay! No,
Oh,
I like the update that they're doing.
No.
I love annoying Paul. It's like my favorite thing to do. Very fun. Boom boy.
Bet you're gonna be like so close in this fall.
Oh, that's happened to me once, and I literally almost like did it.
Bro, these are 5 blocks in Minecraft. Bro, these are like 5 blocks. Minecraft.
Boom boy, I'm done. You want me to wait for you?
Go ahead.
Okay. Bye.
What's the next level?
This level. It's like, oh God, Jesus! What is happening?
Oh, that level?
I don't know. If I do check, I'm gonna have to log out. I can't minimize this. So if I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, I'm gonna need to do all these levels again. Okay, I think it's 2 more levels and then we're done for the video, but we're making a part 2 probably.
No, I got so close.
Whoa. Yeah, I made it, boy. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do one more after this and then part 2 time. Because I can only record right now for 15 minutes.
I failed, and I was on the last thing.
I need to finish this sky one, and then I'm done. You can hack this one too. I know all the levels you can hack on. This is the other one that you can hack on, but it's like hard. You have to like jump all the. No, you have to actually jump on the ground, like you get it on the penguin level. Then you have to climb up one of the buildings.
No, Jeremy doesn't really jump. He jumps down and goes under the stairs.
Oh, well, that's another way to do it. No, it's not the only way. Alright, you guys. So I think we're gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please sub to me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hold on, this might be an awkward ending because I don't know how to get out of here without logging out of the actual game. Escape. Nope, it does this.
Is there a minimize?
No. I'm gonna have to log out completely.
But you don't have to. It's like I don't.
Well, that's how it's the max. So I'm leaving, then I'm gonna rejoin.
Well, I'm actually.
Alright, bye guys.